जिसे तू कबूल कर ले वो अदा कहाँ से लाऊं, तेरी हंसियों जो रुबाए वो सदा कहाँ से लाऊं। मैं वो फूल हूँ जिसे क्या हर कोई मसल के, मैं वो फूल हूँ जिसे क्या हर कोई मसल के, मेरी उम्र भी गई है मेरे आंसुओं में ढल के। And also start with the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, and alone master of the entire universe. For the President, Honorable Chief Guest, respectable honorary guests, and the audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I have been given a chance to talk about the important topic, importance of computer and English language. Dear audience, first of all, I want to tell you that it is not to think that one can speak English by mastering Firuza grammar. There was several great registers of grammar to count, but they are not permitted. English is very necessary for us at this period. English is as necessary for us as a milk mother for the child. As flower has need of water, as woman has need of human. If we would have English, we could get the post of president. Dear agents, what is the definition of English? English is the language spoken by people who live and Great Britain, Ireland, the United States of Canada, Australia, and so many other countries. Computer is an electronic device which is made of transistors, capacitors, and resistors, which is taking data and gives us information. But the President, I would like to citation about the perfection of computer. A doctor is going to operate the patient of cancer in Australia by sitting in America. And my opinion, this argument is enough for the importance of computer. Computer has made the world of media and very off your fingers. In 21st century, the importance of English is visible, and it is also reality that no regard can be achieved without English language. Computer is also destitute of English language. And this modern period, if someone don't know how to operate the computer, he will be called uneducated. And English has become essential to be called educated. English has played an important role in our daily life. As you all know that we are living in science and technology, so English is very important for us. If we will not have English, we will be extinct in other countries. Because their people often speak English. If we want to say that we will not have English, so it is pity to say that is how I say in foreign countries. Can you bear yourself? No, you cannot bear yourself. So please, work hard for your bright future, for the future of your country, for the future of your poor people. If you want to be a doctor, want to be an engineer, want to be computer master, then you must take a class in English, because English is must for you. Without English, you are incomplete in this world. In the last, I must emphasize the greater attention should be paid on computer and English language, because these both elements are surety of achievement, development, and prosperity. In the last, I want to tell you a latest point. उकाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जमानों में, उकाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जमानों में, नजर आती है उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में। नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसरे सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसरे सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, तू शाही है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों के चट्टानों पर। नाउ लेट मी मिशन अस्सलाम वालेकुम।